In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure your Slack notifications are set up just the way you want them. Start by locating your profile picture. You'll find it in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on your profile picture now. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, you should see a list of options. From that drop-down, select Preferences. This is where all your Slack notification settings are hidden. Now that you're in the Preference menu, we're going to focus specifically on notifications. Look for the section labeled Notify Me About. This section is essential because it lets you choose what kind of messages you'd like to receive alerts for. You'll see a few options laid out for you. The first option is All New Messages. If you select this one, you'll receive alerts for every single message that comes through, ensuring that you're always in the loop and never miss anything important. If you're a team player and want to stay up to date with everything, this option might be for you. However, if you want to be a bit more selective and prefer to only get notifications for direct communications, you can choose the second option. This is labeled Direct Messages, Mentions, and Keywords. By selecting this option, you'll only be alerted when someone sends you a message directly, tags you in a message, or uses specific keywords that you've set up. This is great for those who want to minimize notifications and only focus on what truly matters to them. But here's the thing. Slack allows you to customize even further, depending on your work style. For instance, if you're working on a project and someone mentions a certain keyword that's important to you, you can set that keyword in your notification preferences. This ensures you don't miss out on relevant discussions, even if you're not tagged directly. So how do you set keywords? Well, while you're still in the Preferences section, look for a field that mentions keywords. Here you can input any specific terms that you would like to be notified about. Just remember to separate your keywords with commas. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to take a moment to reflect on your notification strategy. Do you need to be alerted for all messages, or would you prefer a more tailored approach? Finding the right balance can help you stay engaged without feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts. After you've made your selections, you can simply close out of the Preferences menu. Slack automatically saves your settings, so there's no Save button to worry about. And that's it. You've now customized your Slack notifications to better fit your needs. Feel free to revisit these settings whenever necessary, especially if your focus changes or if you find that you're getting too many notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage notifications in Slack more effectively. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe and